time for the Classic in the Jurassic Junior. Choose a game to play. The opening ceremony. It's time for the Classic in the Jurassic Junior. Introducing Team Claw-Stars! And going up against the Claw-Stars, our second team, the Prehistoric Predators! Let's take a closer look at this season's competitors. Click on the 4 biggest dinosaurs. Great! You found the biggest dinosaurs. Click on the dinosaurs that have wings. There's 2 more. Good job! You found all the dinosaurs with wings. Click on all the herbivores. Herbivores are plant eaters. There's 2 more. 1 more. Nice work! That dinosaur is a herbivore. He only eats plants. Click on the dinosaurs that are the color green. That's right! You found all of the green dinosaurs. Click on the dinosaurs that are smaller than the rest and have wings. Nice! That dinosaur is small and has wings. Looks like we have some fierce competitors this season, folks. Now, it's the moment you've been waiting for. Let the games begin! Congratulations, Leaf Leader! The opening ceremony, Pinecone Pass. It's the Claw-Stars against the Prehistoric Predators. Here's the first play.
Ready? I'll tell you who to throw the pine cone to, and you click on the correct teammate. Let's get 'em! Throw the pine cone to the teammate farthest from Buddy. Ready, set, go! Nice throw!
The Claw-Stars are ahead.
Throw the pine cone to the teammate closest to Buddy. Ready, set, go! Way to go, team!
The Claw-Stars continue down the field.
Throw the pine cone to the teammate that is closest to this dinosaur. Ready, set, go! Nice throw!
And the Claw-Stars keep dishing it out to the Prehistoric Predators.
Throw the pine cone to the teammate that is closest to this dinosaur. Ready, set, go! Way to go, team!
Claw-Stars are in scoring position.
Throw the pine cone to the teammate that is the second closest to Buddy. Ready, set, go! Way to go, team!
Goal! The Claw-Stars are victorious! Hydration Station. Air Show. Dinosaur Dive. The Claw-Stars are going for the gold in Dinosaur Dive.
Volume is the amount of space something takes up. Let's look at our diving team. The small dinosaurs will move the smallest amount of water. The medium dinosaurs, a medium amount of water, and the large dinosaurs, a large amount of water. Let's warm up. Click on a dinosaur to take a practice dive.
Yeah!
that was a small dinosaur, the water level went up just a little. Click on another dinosaur. Since that was a large dinosaur, the water level went up a lot.
The warm-up is over, folks. Let the game begin.
Okay, team, we have to win 4 dives. Here's the target mark. Click on one dinosaur whose size will raise the water to level 3. Good job, team. Here's the target mark. Click on one dinosaur whose size will raise the water to level 6. Good job, team. Okay, team, it's getting harder now. Here's the target mark. Click on 2 dinosaurs whose total size will raise the water to level 9. Click on another dinosaur. Good job, team. Here's the target mark. Click on 2 dinosaurs whose total size will raise the water to level 2. Click on another dinosaur. Good job, team.
There we have it, folks. Some magnificent dives by the Claw Stars. They've won the gold. Congratulations! The Claw Stars won a golden laurel. Excellent hydration station. Pinecone dinosaur dive. Roaring relay. To win the gold in this game, the Claw Stars have to make it through 3 legs of an obstacle course. Good luck!
Okay, team, let's go. Click on a dinosaur that can run under those hurdles. Press the right arrow on your keyboard or use your mouse to move forward.
And the Claw Stars are off to a great start.
Here's the next part of the course. Click on a dinosaur that can fit through those small tunnels.
The Claw Stars are tearing through this course, folks.
Okay, team, last section. We're almost to the gold. Click on a dinosaur that can make it over those big walls.
And this triathlon is history, folks, with the Claw Stars taking the gold. What an exciting game! Air show! Hydration station! Our competitors are getting thirsty, folks. Let's get everyone hydrated at the hydration station.
Watch me first, kids. First, click on an eggshell, then hold it under the water to fill it. Next, move the eggshell to a watering hole and click to pour the water in the hole. The bigger the egg, the more water it can hold. Match the size of the egg to the size of the hole. Small hole, small egg. Big hole, big egg. Ready? Give that thirsty dinosaur some water. There are 2 holes and 2 dinosaurs. Match the size of the egg to the size of the hole. That egg held the right amount of water to fill that hole. That egg held the right amount of water to fill that hole. Now there are 3 holes and 3 dinosaurs. That egg held the right amount of water to fill that hole. That egg held the right amount of water to fill that hole. That egg held the right amount of water to fill that hole. Now there are 5 holes and 5 dinosaurs. Match the size of the egg to the size of the hole. That egg held the right amount of water to fill that hole. That egg held the right amount of water to fill that hole. That egg held the right amount of water to fill that hole. That egg held the right amount of water to fill that hole. That egg held the right amount of water to fill that hole. Great job! Those thirsty dinosaurs got plenty of water. On with the games!
Air show. Time for some high-flying action, folks. The claw stars meet the prehistoric predators.
First, click the space where you want your dinosaur to start. That's it. The further back you start, the further your dinosaur will fly. Click on the green Go button. You did it! Let's take a practice run. First, click the space where you want your dinosaur to start. You moved your dinosaur. That's it. The further back you start, the further your dinosaur will fly. Take one more practice flight and try to fly as far as you can. You moved your dinosaur 1 space. You moved your dinosaur 10 space. The other team will fly first. To win the gold, follow my instructions. I'll tell you where to land. I want you to land closer to the cliff than the other dinosaur did. You moved your dinosaur. You did it! Here goes the other team. I want you to land closer to the tree than the other dinosaur did. You moved your dinosaur 8 spaces. Great flying! Time for the last round. Here goes the other team. I want you to land in between the tree and the other dinosaur. You moved your dinosaur.
And the claw stars take the gold from the prehistoric predators, folks. What a game! Hydration station and leaf leader.
We've got to be in balance with the other team. This one's all about weight. Weight is a measure of how heavy something is. In this game, small dinosaurs weigh a little and big dinosaurs weigh a lot. This means big dinosaurs weigh more than small dinosaurs. Click on your dinosaurs to add them to the rope. Click on them again to take them off the rope. The most dinosaurs you can add to the rope is 4. Add dinosaurs to the rope until the weight of your team equals the weight of the other team. Remember, the most you can use is 4. You'll know the 2 sides are equal when the leaf is right above the dinosaur's head. So close he can eat it. Way to go, team! We did it! There's one round left.
The Claw Stars get the gold! Congratulations! The Claw Stars won a Golden Laurel Hydration Station! Want to watch a video? Click here! Want to watch a video? Click here!